Hi, this is Ashley. It's May 29th, and we just finished a talk session. And our topic for today was 3 recommendations for tourists in Tokyo. So we talked about different recommendations for food, for things to see, and also for advice, maybe about Japanese culture. And we had a really interesting conversation, and I have lots of new restaurants to try out. I'm really excited about that. And yeah, I also got a bit of advice about Japanese culture, so I think it was a great learning experience for everyone. And we talked about a couple of common mistakes that people make. And one was we were talking a bit about Dubai, and someone said that the Dubai economic is falling, but it should actually be the Dubai economy is falling. A second one, we were talking about the problems with crossing the road here, and someone said that foreigners should remember to keep for the signal. The signal is the light that changes to cross the road, and it should actually be wait for the signal. So it's important for foreigners to remember to wait for the signal. And a couple of new words that we learned today. The first one was charcoal. And we were talking about charcoal because we were talking about food. And an example sentence with charcoal is, we used charcoal to cook our food. The second word we talked about was chain restaurants. A chain restaurant is like McDonald's or Subway. And so my example sentence is, I never go to Subway because I hate chain restaurants. And the third word we talked about was boring. And my example sentence for that one is, studying for a long time can be really boring. Boring is when it's the opposite of interesting, basically. So we had a really great group talk session, and I'm looking forward to the next one. Thanks, everybody. Bye.